evening, tutor and classmates. My name is Grabando Ballesteros. This is my identification document. This is my report individual of the work. Task 1. Electromagnetic waves in open media individual work format. This is the introduction. This is the exercise. There is the question. What do you mean propagation medium open for electromagnetic waves? An electromagnetic wave is created by a local disturbance in the electric and magnetic fields. From its origin, the wave will propagate outwards in all directions if the medium in which it is propagating, air for example, is the same everywhere when the wave is propagating in all directions. There is the exercise application. My propagation medium were choose was sweet water. Calculate the tangent of losses. This tangent of losses, this formula. Apply. This is the resulting calculator. This is tangent of losses. In the classification of propagation medium, this water is the electrics with losses. This is the range. This is the parameter propagation. This is result calculator. This is the constant attenuation. This is the phase constant. This is the impedance increase. Speed propagation. This is the wavelength. The speed factor in this refractive. And this is the result in the calculator. Thank you.